Let's go. I wake up to a little bit of drool at my pillow, feel like it's gonna be.
So the rubber molding strip thingy on my door is broken and it's letting water into the cabin, which means mold. So today I'm gonna fix that, and it's really simple. I've got myself a replacement door rubber over here ready to go. Let's get to it. There's not much to it really. So what you're going to find is that through the top here, this rubber is either held on with clips, or like in my case, it is literally just pressed in like so. You can go along all the way to about there, where clips will start holding this thing in, and the same thing goes for the other side. So up here there's one plastic clip. Now just be careful with these, try to keep them, but all the way down here to about this point, everything is just clipped in via this channel, pressed in via this channel. And from here on in, we've got some clips, and I'll show you one of them now. So there we go, that sort of clip. Now, you've either got these clips running all the way around the door and up here as well, all the way around, or like myself, you've basically got them just at the bottom section of the door all the way around there, and then up here you've got this channel like I do. The rubber that I picked up has the holes for the clips all the way around. So this is set up for the other type of door where there are clips all around, but not to worry, because this one fits both doors, and I intentionally picked up one where the holes are all the way around so that I can show you that this one goes on this door as well. But the first thing is get this other one off, and the best way to do that without breaking these clips is to pull up and then away, and then push down and then away. Now if you're gonna try to start prying these out, you're gonna break them. So for me, I'm just gonna leave them there like that. Up, away, down, up, away, down, up. Ooh, see, that one came out with the rubber itself. Up, away, down, and so on. Okay, so a couple of clips came with it, but not to worry, that's fine, we can just press these in. So at this point, this old rubber is off the car, but it's held captive by this latch here for the door. So grab your 10mm and off we go. There we go, nut off, and then just move this latch out of the way. There's the old rubber that we're going to discard. Here's the new one. So to put this on, you want to make sure that the large holes are facing the door. Then simply feed this back in, and let's put the nut back on. There we go. So now just find a starting point for this whole thing. The best place I found was this top corner over here, because there's quite a marked kink in the rubber, just in there. You'll see it when you do it. But essentially these three pinholes, which we're not going to use because we've got this channel, but these three pinholes mark the corner of the door over here. So that's what I'm going to do. I'm going to clip that in there and start feeding this thing in. So now that I've got this all the way in around the channel itself, it's time to get to these pins. So again, super simple. Just find the hole, which is there, clip it on, and they'll slot in just like that. Find the hole, just like that, slide it on, and slide it in, just like that. So go ahead and do this all the way around. And there we go, connected. You see that? Now, if you've done like I have and put the rubber seal on from a different version of these Falcons, you might have this left, which is this thing over here. So that usually goes there. So simply take this rubber out, put it in there, and you're good to go. So there you go, guys. That's how easy it is to change the rubber seal on one of the doors on these Falcon utes. Now, thanks for watching all the way through. If you like what I did in this video, hit that like button just so that I know I'm doing these things all right. The other thing is, if you want to see more ute content from me, then hit the subscribe button. But that's enough chit chat from me. I hope you liked this video, and if you did, go ahead and try this on your car.